So step 7. Complete. Import the image, specimen4.gif, and place in cell D. Set the height to 250 pixels and maintain the aspect ratio. Make sure that the whole image is visible. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. So we're going to look in this video at how to import an image into your web page. So the image we're going to import is specimen4.gif in cell D, which is the cell over here. So what we're going to do, put our cursor in that cell. To put an image, you go Insert, Picture, From File. You find the location of your image. You're going to select it, so specimen4, and Insert. So there is our picture. Our picture might look a little bit different to what it was originally, but that's okay. Set the height to 250 pixels and maintain the aspect ratio. So to change the height of your image, you just select it. You're going to right click on it. You're going to choose Picture Properties. And you're just going to have a look at the width and the height. So they say that the aspect ratio must be maintained. So all you're going to do is make sure that this little tick box is ticked, keep aspect ratio. And we're going to just change the height to 250 pixels. So the height we're going to change to 250. And the width will automatically change to make sure that our image doesn't distort. So I'm going to say OK. And there we go. You can see it's changed. And the last text, add appropriate alternate text to this image. So what happens is, if the internet connection is bad and this image is not able to load in a user's web page, we still got to tell the user what this picture is of. So to do this, click on the image, right click, Picture Properties, and under the General tab, all you do is you tick the text box, and over here we type in what this is a picture of. So it's a picture of a tree. I'm just going to say OK. Cool, so that is it. So that's how you import an image, how you change its height while maintaining the aspect ratio, and how to add an alternate text in case the image doesn't load. Let me know if you have any questions.